For today's nail art, we are going to be doing some animal print. I'm going to start off with the snakeskin design from UberChic stamping plate Cold Blooded. With the corner of my scraper, I'm going to create a jagged line by removing half of the design. Using white polish, I'm going to color in around the circles and then wait for that to dry. My nails are polished Gangster from Eternal Cosmetics, and I'm going to add some dry brushing so that the stamping will stick to my polish. Dry brushing is when you wipe most of the polish from the brush before applying it to your nails. Then while the polish is still tacky, you can apply your stamping. I'm going to put a little black foil stamping polish from Moyra on the back of my scraper and paint a line where my polish and my stamping meet. I'm going to wait 60 seconds for my line to dry and then press a piece of gold foil onto my nail. Now finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.